Facing the SS10 error on Snapchat with your Android phone? This could be due to a network issue or Snapchat server being down. In this video, I'll show you some easy fixes to resolve this problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turning advanced network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down to bottom and open Developer Options. Under the networking options, turn on Wi-Fi scan, throttling, and mobile data always active. It will enhance the network performance and ensure stable internet connection. Solution 2. Check internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 3. Update Snapchat. Check out for any available updates for Snapchat on Play Store. If an update is available, install it. Solution 4. Check out if the Snapchat server is down. To do this, open any browser on your device. Go to downdetector.com. Here, search Snapchat in the search bar. Then tap on Snapchat menu. It will give you the current status of Snapchat server. And that's it. I hope these methods help you fix the error. If this video helped you, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more Snapchat tutorials. See you in the next video.